mau, red and round. B is for ball, glow on the ground. C is for cat, meow meow sound. D is for dog, I runs around. G is for elephant, ain't big and kind. F is for fish, pen and water fine. G is for goat, moored, eats green grass. H is for hen, het, eggs at last. I is for ice cream, sudden, cold and sweet. J is for jug, young, water to drink. K is for kite, hide in the sky. L is for lion, growl to roar so high. M is for mango, tray, yellow treat. N is for nested, big bird sleep. O is for orange, joba, round and bright. K is for parrot, take it, green delight. Q is for queen, pant, nice and fair. R is for rabbit, pet, hop with care. S is for sun, just shines all day. T is for tiger, grow strong and brave. U is for umbrella, rainy day. V is for van, gate, drives away. W is for watch, tick tick sound. X is for x-ray, to look inside. Y is for yak, but big and slow. Z is for zebra, black and white.